A tour of the St. Ann Infirmary was cut short by local government minister Desmond McKenzie as soon as it started on Friday. The reason? The poor state of the facility. As Jamila Maitland reports, another location has been identified for the home, but in the meantime, $50 million has been announced for its upgrade.
A disappointed local government and community development minister Desmond McKenzie barred media practitioners from entering the St. Ann Infirmary on Friday on what should have been a tour. We were only allowed on the compound. Not even the government-owned Jamaica Information Service JIS employees were allowed to enter. Minister McKenzie, his team, and the management of the facility after touring the compound vanished behind this door. A few minutes later, they returned with an announcement.
Just we have to spend the money, which is going to take a good amount of money, especially for the kitchen. We're going to have to put on literally a new kitchen. We have to ensure that the building is sanitized because our old building on it is infested with chichis, so that is one of the first order of business. We're going to pay some attention to the bathroom in the male section of the infirmary. So the ministry is going to be providing $50 million at the outset.
Of concern, too, is the lack of maintenance at the property.
I am disappointed and I intend to speak to the mayor because all the facilities that we have where our infirmaries are, there is a maintenance team that maintains the facility.
But according to Mayor of St. Ann's Bay, Sidney Stewart, whose organization has oversight for the infirmary, there's not enough funding to do the necessary repairs.
We did remedial work, but because the facility is a whole building, as you do something here, then another problem exists somewhere else. Resulting out of that, it puts the infirmary in a position, the structure, in a position where it is not fully looking satisfactorily as a building. And I'm very happy that the minister pays a visit today and made an announcement.
There are also plans to relocate the infirmary. On closer inspection, our news team observed rusty doors, walls, and railings. And with the more than 80 residents who live there, majority of whom are elderly, there are fears it could pose a health concern. According to the infirmary's CEO, Jennifer Brown Cunningham, the proximity to the sea is the cause of it. She says lands are being identified for its relocation. In the meantime, the staff are relieved at the short-term fix to what has been described as an untenable situation.
And I am very hopeful now, based on what he had just said, that we will get the help that we need here. So the visit is welcomed, and I am hoping that the result of the visit will also be good.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.